Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. Reach Act 2 or later and create a manual save, because movie mode needs a valid checkpoint. Once done, confirm you have the director's eye or 3 cinematic tokens collected. Those unlock the camera system. Next, go to Settings and enable Developer Options or Advanced Gameplay Features. This exposes the movie mode toggle. Do this now so you won't interrupt the flow later when you enter a scene you want to capture. Load the manual save at the exact scene you want to film, because movie mode anchors to that checkpoint. Then pause and navigate to Tools or Camera submenu and toggle movie mode on. This creates the cinematic session. Once movie mode is active, enter FreeCam by holding L1 and R1 or the mapped keys to decouple the camera from the player. Make sure to adjust focal length and speed settings so movement looks natural. Finally, press the record key in the menu to start capturing a take. When you finish your take, open the in-game editor to trim and arrange clips, because raw footage often needs small edits. Export the final file to the game's gallery or to an external folder if the option exists. Choose 24 frames per second and 0.5x slow motion for a movie-like cadence. If movie mode crashes or camera stutters, reload your manual save and lower physics/detail settings. Then retry. That usually fixes timing bugs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.